Lina.
Saya main-main je. Adik pegang ni. Bagi makan je boleh. Tak boleh dia makan. Boleh kan? Okay guys, what you guys see here is first foul. Okay, what you guys see here is first foul. Actually, as well as we have a PD session at children's work and at the XP. At children's work, you guys can see miniature houses, goats, birds. Okay, Bella, finish. Okay, thank you, boy. Easy now. Okay, second person. Okay, for your information, all of your donations will be funded for the food, for the animal training, and for the renovations. Boom, boom! I see Yogo is very happy and excited to see you guys here today. Now, Yogo begins from flip to a shake. Okay, nampaknya Yogo menggunakan hidungnya untuk menolak bola tersebut ke arah jurulani kami. Dan dia menimbangi bola itu. Naik ke pentas. Followed by